just finished getting ready, and it's only got 6,071 miles on it. And before I put it on the lot, I want to make sure you have a good look at it. It's the 2025 HR-V all-wheel drive sport trim here at Tracy Honda. A multi-angle backup camera right here for you. This screen is also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All you got to do is plug right into your USB-A, and what it'll do is connect your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You could also buy a connect right there as well if you want to do like your USB or you want to do like your Bluetooth connection. Now, if you just want to charge your phone and you want to charge it quick, you got a high-speed charger there. Leather wrap shifter and steering wheel, reverse, neutral, drive, sport shift, low gear. All the things you need, as well as drive mode selector. These things can go over in detail. At no time will it ever be something that we can't do for you, as long as you're here Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Sundays and holidays, 11 p.m. 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Press this home icon here. You can scroll down and either see your all-wheel drive torque distribution right there, or you can scroll down here. And most people like to go over to either their settings, which our 5-star reviewed brand ambassador can help you out with, or 99% of the time after they're done with the settings, they're going to want to go to the range and feel. So you also have the orange stitching that's very subtle, but it is accented throughout the cabin. Auto down and auto up, one click on the front passenger and the front driver window, as you see here. Also, as you can see right here, you have the blind side information. See that? So whenever someone's in your blind side, it's going to light up an amber glow right there. You see that Lexus we just sold. Congratulations to our happy buyer there. I am your Tracy Honda insider at tracyhonda.com. This is the Urban Gray Pearl 2025 HR-V Sport all-wheel drive here at Tracy Honda. Take a look at that beautiful all-new dealership here for you. All the latest new vehicles in stock, as well as the certified pre-owned vehicles, looking in fantastic shape and condition. In the link, there's a description. That link in the description will take you to updated pricing. This one's listed at $30,000. You have a guarantee until 4/19/2032, 100,000 miles on that odometer, whichever comes first, as well as many more features and benefits being a certified pre-owned Honda owner. So check out that link in the description, get you the updated pricing, let us know when you can make it in here, get you taken care of, get you a professional demonstration, a VIP test drive, and then help you get everything from learning how your LED turn signals work, the black side caps look in person, those 18-inch wheels blacked out, all of them in great shape as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with somebody who you know is looking for the same vehicle. We know there's so many pictures, and with all those pictures, you can't zoom in on those pictures when it comes to pre-owned. Excuse me. Excuse me. At least here with the high definition video, I can show you how to make sure all the lights are on. You can email me if there's something that you missed. We're not done with the sale. After the sale, we're going to follow up with you to make sure we have any other questions answered. April 2026 registration is going to be great for you. This is going to get you beyond into the next. Here is your kit, and here is your spare tire. Again, everything covered. Even if you need it, you just push these right here, push that down. You can also release this right here. We can show you that in the front. So many things to go with your experience here at Tracy Honda. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe, share this with someone you know, and we will see you on the next video.